Hey guys, welcome to another video of CamPro. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make this type of laser sword effect in After Effects. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So first you have to import your clip into After Effects. Then drag your clip into timeline. Now make a new black solid layer and rename it to Effects. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Saber. Now Saber plugin you can download it from the link given in description. Now drag Saber to the black screen. Now you have to change its mode to screen. If you cannot see the mode tab, then press F4 on your keyboard. Now go to render setting and change motion blur multiplex to 0. Now click on the stopwatch next to core start and core end. Now adjust the laser effect according to the rod in your hand. Now click on the next frame button and set it again. Now you have to set it frame by frame. You can change the glow color from here. You can also set glow intensity according to your footage. There are a lot of presets in this plugin like burning, fire. You can choose any of these plugins. Now our effect is ready. Now to render, click on the composition and click on add to render. Now click on the lossless and choose video format H.264. Make sure the bitrate is 6 MB per second and change the audio bitrate to 320 and then click on OK. Now simply click on the render button to get your output. If you have enjoyed this video, then give us a thumb up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.